Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay guys, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating this table along my wall here. So let's get started. So this table is in my dining room against the wall near the back door in my kitchen, but I use it as a display table and I absolutely love it. So we're going to clean it down and then we're going to go ahead and decorate it. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Summer Entryway Refresh Open Collaboration. This is for everyone to enjoy, guys. So this is June 14 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and here we are. Let me tell you who the hosts are. Okay, so hosting is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's myself, At Home with Lisa, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Design with Emma, Angie Forson, Sandy's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, and Sasu Glam Style. Remember that in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now the center vase was already set up exactly the way I like it. Everything else needed to be wiped down. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and arrange this table, and I'll see you at the end. Also, remember to head on over to the community tab where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. We have so much fun, guys, and it's an open invite for all of us to enjoy, as I said before. The thumbnails are also there, and if there's any one of the collaborations you want to join, just send me a message and I'll add you to the collaboration. So I am done with decorating this back wall. I don't want to overload it. I think it looks beautiful just like that. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I do want to take a moment and thank all of the ladies who hosted with me in this collaboration. You guys are awesome. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.